Welcome to iTechie. My name is Varun Chauhan. I hope all are doing good. I'm also fine, friend. Today I am showing you GFI LANguard installation. Please watch video till the end because sometime we missed video important part. If you are new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon for watch latest video. Friends, I am telling you little about introduction of GFI LANguard. GFI LANguard network security scanner and patch management solution that acts as a virtual security. Friends, let's start to continue. GFI installation requires two components pre-installed MS SQL and .NET. Friends, I have already installed in Server 2019. If you want to watch video for MS SQL installation, you can watch, link in description available. Double click on LANguard setup. Click on OK. It is searching for pre-requests. Their SQL Server native client already installed. Microsoft Net Firmware 4.51 already installed. Now it is asking for GFI LANguard installation. GFI LANguard Control Management Server. So click on Next. Now it is asking for database configuration. There will map SQL database. Click on SQL server name. Server name itself detect there, and second is database name. They are already given name for LANguard installation, but we can give as per our network choice. There you can rename it yourself. And third is use window authentication. If you have SQL database username and password, so you can configure there, but I have installed MS SQL use window authentication, so I need to check there. I click on check sign and then click on OK. Now it is asking for username and password for license key. If we have a license control panel, so we can enter username password. Their automatic license key will detect, but we are using evaluation trial version. When I downloaded trial version, then I registered email for license share, so there I have license. Now I am entering license for GFI LANguard installation. After enter license key, click on OK. Now GFI LANguard installation being in process. Now click on next. Now accept license term and condition. Then click on next. Now it is asking for domain. If we have a domain in network, so we can enter domain details and administrator password. Then click on next. Now GFI LANguard Central Management Server HTTPS setting. There will configure for browser control panel of GFI LANguard. There we can give name of server, but there is host name testing, so there auto detect, so we can change as per network requirement. After then click on next. Again click on next. Click on install. Installation in progress. Please wait. GFI LANguard installation has been finished. Click on Finish. GFI LANguard console launch, showing GFI LANguard in notification for trial version. Click on Continue Evaluation. Now I am showing you menu of GFI LANguard. There is showing, click on this icon. There is showing file, control management, server, tools, configuration and help. Next is dashboard. Dashboard have multiple option, overview, computer history, vulnerabilities, patches, ports, software, hardware, system information. Launch a new scan there for network scan there, what is software available and patch system and new network system scans. Next is remediate. In remediate option, deploy software update, uninstall software updates, deploy custom software, uninstall application, malware protection, remote support via remote desktop connection. And next is activity monitor. Activity monitor shows provide visibility to the queue progress and status of all scans which is system available in network. So scan status they are available. Next report. There we can generate report. What is the status in network devices and software, and there all report we can generate. Next, configuration, agent management, scanning profile, schedule scans, mobile device, software categories, application inventory, auto install, validation, software update, patch auto deployment, patch auto download, alerting option, database maintenance option, program update, central management server, journal version information, license. Next is utilities. In utilities option, DNS lookup, traceroute, whois, enumerate computer, enumerate users, SNMP audit, SNMP walk, SQL server audit. There we can audit to user system which is deployed in network within GFI LANguard. I hope my video helpful for you. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and like video and share your feedback comment box.